This mess up in front of everyone.
Like, subscribe, comment down below for more Alto Sharkies.
No one wants to watch Alto Sharkies.
You know what's funny? I already started recording. Yeah, I do. I make commentaries. So today, as we watch the Richard, he will speak.
As we have seen recently, there has been a lot of freaky weather. Sometimes the summer is hotter and sometimes the winter is hotter. Or vice versa, the summer can be colder and the winter could be much more colder than we're used to. And the problem with this is that it's actually harming our environment. And in reality, it's our own fault. And the only way to stop this is by using renewable energy, because fossil fuels actually cause this weather change. My name is Richard Rodriguez, and I'm talking about the benefits of renewable energy. So the reason why the Earth heats up or cools down randomly is because of the CO2 in the atmosphere. And this CO2 is actually given off by us whenever we produce stuff with fossil fuels, so it's like gas, like cars and factories. And so this is a worldwide issue because gas is used throughout the Earth. And in reality also, there's an energy crisis throughout all nations, and we're trying to look for better ways that are cheaper and more efficient so we don't hurt the actual environment. My first argument would be that renewable energy has little to no global emission. For example, electricity accounts for 1/3 of the emissions that we have on Earth according to UCSUSA.org. And in reality, renewable energy has little to no emissions. So by switching to renewable energy, we would actually have less emissions and we wouldn't cause harm to the planet. Off the same article, it states that there are health and environmental benefits to using renewable energy. So for example, when we use fossil fuels, there have been cases that have related to premature deaths and also sick days because people are affected by the pollution in our environment. And in addition to that, there's between $361.7 billion to $886.5 billion wasted in healthcare because of the pollution and the effects it has on people. So by switching to renewable energy, we would reduce CO2 levels, which would reduce the amount that we have to pay for healthcare. My third argument would be that it's reliable and it can be vastly used anywhere. When we use solar panels and wind energy, those are usually spread across far from each other. And also, if one were to malfunction, the other ones would still work. So in the case of a natural disaster, like the ones that happened in Katrina, the whole energy grid wouldn't go down, but only a small piece would, and we would still have some energy to use. So that would be beneficial in case of an emergency. My opponents might argue that it requires a large upfront investment, which is true, it would require that. But in the end, it takes less maintenance, it's also cheaper, and at the same time, the prices are more stable than fossil fuels are because they always change. In conclusion, I am for renewable energy because of the reduction of emission, the health benefits to us, and the reliability that it has throughout the Earth. On this Earth, we've had 5 mass extinctions, and we are causing the 6th one through global warming. So we're slowly losing animals, and eventually we're going to lose our children and our Earth because of global of the emissions from CO2. Thank you.
Not the children. We're still recording. Oh, you think I'm lying?
I think it's so responsible.
I don't think it's over yet. Say goodbye to our audience. Say what? I'm waiting for Richard to say goodbye to our audience. Richard, just say goodbye already, please. Just say goodbye. I don't want to end it up on this note. Please say goodbye.
You caused me to do this.
Just say goodbye.
Okay.